boy. Keep going. You got it. Rip, rip, rip.
Look out, Mom.
Oh,
look at
that.
Callie. That is so cute.
Callie.
It says your name, buddy.
Callie.
Callie, come here. Do you have that made?
Yeah, look at that, Callie. Okay.
We were at a show that had the different names. And
It's an art fair.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Callie.
I can't get
Thanks,
a picture
guys.
with you in it.
I can get something to wrap.
Get over here.
Yeah, that's right.
Callie. Come on, over
Go, Callie. Go, go, go.
Here.
Yeah, good
Hold
girl.
on, it's a puzzle. I
Good
missed.
girl.
Say thank you to Nana and Tuna for that.
Let's try that again.
I figure it's more of a room nameplate.
Is it?
Much puzzling. Well, it's a puzzle, but
I think it's a puzzle.
if you've done puzzling with it,
Oh, that's for me.
it's
And then you
Oh,
put
cool.
it's a nameplate.
What's
yeah.
this, Jake? This is from Aaron.
Callie.
Here, look.
She probably smells the cats.
Hey, now, you see Aaron
She
over
thinks
there?
it's her birthday.
Aaron? Here's Aaron. There she is. She got you this. Let's see what she got you.
You get much.
Whoa!
Oh.
Look at that. It's a storybook, and you can put them all
Oh,
together.
those
An
are so
airplane,
cute.
A car.
Wow.
It's made out of Legos.
How cute.
Oh, that's really nice.
Wow.
Yeah,
Those
that's
are
really
cute.
cool.
That's
Thank
neat.
you. He's gonna love that. Look at that, Jake.
Really cute.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
We get
We
to
can
make all
put them
kinds of
together
stuff.
while we read. Oh, that's a great gift. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Look at that. There's an airplane.
Overwhelming when you
Yeah,
I
buddy.
just want to try with the
Look
first
at all
thing
this
that
stuff.
Pumpkin.
This one. This one. This what you have in mind? D. D. D.
Is that the digger they say?
should have just given him the paper.
Can we let's see if we can rip it.
Callie.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
What's this?
Wow.
Wow.
Whoa.
What is that?
A tool set for you, buddy.
It's a power drill.
and everything.
Callie, you're getting in.
That's cool.
No. Sit. You can sit, please.
Look at that,
Sit.
buddy. This is gonna be
Sit.
fun.
Sit down. Good girl.
You're gonna have fun with that, Jacob.
All right. Can you thank Nana and Tuna? Thank Nana
Come
and
here.
Tuna. You're
Come
welcome.
up here with me.
Yeah, you got it.
Callie.